Discover the top 5 fish for longevity. Fish has long been regarded as the nutritional treasure of the ocean, especially when it comes to promoting health and longevity. However, not all fish offer the same nutritional benefits. Choosing the right fish is crucial for optimizing your health. Today, Harmony for Health will guide you through the top 5 fish for extending longevity, thanks to their superior nutritional profiles. Don't miss out, because at the end of this article, we'll reveal 5 types of fish you should limit in your diet, including one that will surely surprise you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell to ensure you never miss a video from Harmony for Health. Valuable insights on nutrition, health, and a balanced lifestyle await you. Let's get started. 5. Mackerel, a superfood for heart and brain health. Mackerel is not only delicious but also a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and protein, it provides essential nutrients to promote health and extend longevity. Health benefits of mackerel. Heart health. Omega-3 in mackerel helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, supporting cardiovascular health and reducing stroke risk. Anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3 acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, making it beneficial for those with arthritis or chronic illnesses. Brain support. The fatty acids in mackerel enhance memory, improve focus, and reduce the risk of cognitive decline in older adults. Vitamin B12. Boost. Mackerel is rich in vitamin B12, essential for red blood cell production, maintaining a healthy nervous system, and preventing fatigue. How to cook mackerel to retain nutrition? Grilled. Marinate with a pinch of salt, pepper, and olive oil, then grill until golden brown. Pan-seared. Sear with olive oil and minced garlic for added flavor. In meals, add mackerel to salads, soups, or serve with steamed vegetables and rice for a balanced meal. 4. Cod, the superstar of lean protein. Source's cod is not just a delicious choice, but also a superfood with impressive nutritional value. It's an ideal option for those seeking a lean protein source to maintain energy without excessive calories. Exceptional benefits of cod. Rich in vitamin D. Supports calcium absorption, strengthens bones, and reduces the risk of osteoporosis. Natural source of iodine. Essential for thyroid function, helping maintain hormonal balance and efficient metabolism. High in omega-3s. These fatty acids improve cardiovascular health, enhance brain function, and reduce cognitive decline. Chronic disease prevention. Cod's nutrients help reduce inflammation, a key factor in preventing conditions like diabetes and heart disease. Simple and nutritious cod. Preparation methods. Steamed. Preserve its natural flavor with a pinch of salt, pepper, and a few lemon slices. Baked. Lightly season and bake with vegetables like asparagus or carrots for a balanced meal. Seafood soup. Cod pairs perfectly with broth made from fish bones, seafood, and vegetables to create a hearty, nutritious soup. Number 3. Sardines, the tiny yet mighty superfood. Sardines are among the most nutrient-dense foods you can easily incorporate into your daily meals. Don't let their small size fool you. These fish are packed with an abundance of essential nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, protect heart health, reduce inflammation, and support brain function. Selenium, a powerful antioxidant that safeguards cells from damage and strengthens the immune system. Copper, essential for collagen production, promoting joint flexibility and efficient digestive function. Outstanding benefits. Not only are sardines rich in nutrients, but they also contain low levels of heavy metals, making them a safe choice for regular consumption. If opting for canned sardines, choose those packed in high-quality olive oil, which preserves the fish's nutritional value while adding healthy fats. How to enjoy sardines? Sardines are incredibly versatile and fit seamlessly into any meal. Add to salads for a protein boost and enhanced flavor. Spread on whole grain bread with avocado for a nutritious breakfast or snack. Mash with avocado, lemon, and spices for a delicious dip that's easy to prepare. Number 2, wild salmon, the must-have superfood. Wild salmon has long been regarded as the liquid gold of the ocean, thanks to its exceptional nutritional profile. It's a top choice for a healthy diet, not just for its delectable taste, but also for the comprehensive health benefits it offers. Health benefits of wild salmon. 1. Reduces inflammation and protects heart health. Wild salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which are proven to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of cardiovascular diseases. This makes it an ideal food for long-term heart health. 2. Boosts energy and cellular function. Packed with selenium and vitamin B12, wild salmon supports cell health, enhances metabolism, and keeps your energy levels high. Vitamin B12 is especially important for maintaining a healthy nervous system and producing red blood cells. 3. Low in heavy metals and pollutants. Unlike farmed salmon, wild salmon is known for its lower levels of heavy metals and contaminants, providing peace of mind when consumed regularly. Alternatives when wild salmon isn't available. If fresh wild salmon isn't accessible, opt for frozen salmon. Thanks to rapid freezing technology, its nutritional value remains intact, offering convenience without compromising health benefits. Cooking suggestions. Grilled, add a drizzle of olive oil, salt, pepper, and herbs like rosemary or dill, then grill to golden perfection. Pan-seared. Cook quickly with butter, garlic, and a splash of lemon juice for bold flavor. Salad. Combine grilled salmon with leafy greens, avocado, and quinoa for a nutrient-rich meal. Choice number 1. Mussels, the hidden gem of the sea. Though not a traditional fish, mussels deserve a spot on the list of top seafood choices due to their rich nutritional value and health benefits. Here's why you should add mussels to your diet. High-quality protein source mussels are an excellent source of protein, supporting muscle maintenance and development, especially vital for those looking to enhance muscle health or recover from injuries. Abundant omega-3s for heart health. The high omega-3 content in mussels reduces inflammation, protects the cardiovascular system, and supports brain function. Since the body cannot produce these essential fatty acids, mussels are a perfect dietary addition. Rich in selenium, selenium is a crucial mineral that protects the thyroid, supports immunity, and prevents cellular damage caused by free radicals. A single serving of mussels provides a significant portion of your daily selenium needs. Low in heavy metals, safe for regular consumption. Compared to larger fish, mussels contain minimal heavy metals, particularly mercury, making them a safe and toxin-free option for frequent consumption. Sustainable seafood choice mussels are one of the most environmentally friendly seafood options. They grow quickly, require minimal resources, and have a low impact on marine ecosystems. Simple and nutritious ways to cook mussels. Steamed mussels. Cook with garlic, white wine, and herbs like basil or parsley for a light yet flavorful dish. Seafood paella. Mussels are a key ingredient in the traditional Spanish rice dish. Seafood soup. Add mussels to soups to enhance flavor and nutritional value. Mussels with pasta. Pair with white sauce for a perfect blend of natural sweetness and aromatic spices. Before we move on to the next topic, please support the Harmony for Health channel by subscribing and liking. Your support is the biggest motivation for our team to keep creating even better content. Thank you so much. 5 types of fish you should avoid to protect your health. Not all fish provide health benefits. Some types may contain high levels of heavy metals, environmental pollutants, or be raised in unsafe conditions, posing long-term health risks. Here are 5 types of fish you should limit or avoid entirely. 1. Shark. A hidden threat to health and the environment. Sharks, as apex predators, pose more risks than benefits when included in your diet. The primary concern is their extremely high mercury levels. Scientific studies reveal that mercury can cause neurological damage, memory loss, and immune system impairment when accumulated in the body over time. Beyond human health risks, Shark fishing and consumption severely threaten the balance of marine ecosystems. Sharks play a vital role in regulating the populations of other ocean species. A decline in shark populations can destabilize ecosystems, affecting global fish stocks. Additionally, the commercial exploitation of sharks, especially for their fins, exacerbates population declines, raising sustainability concerns within the seafood industry. Healthier and more sustainable alternatives. Instead of consuming shark, opt for nutrient-rich and eco-friendly fish like salmon, sardines, or mackerel. These options not only promote your health, but also contribute to ocean conservation and biodiversity. 2. Swordfish. A fish to steer, clearer for your health. Swordfish is nutrient-dense, rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids that support heart and brain health. However, its benefits do not outweigh the hidden risks. Swordfish is notorious for having one of the highest mercury levels among fish. Mercury, a heavy metal, can accumulate in the human body over time, leading to serious issues like neurological damage and cognitive decline. Swordfish is particularly dangerous for children and pregnant women due to its potential impact on fetal and early brain development. While swordfish is nutritious, the health risks associated with its consumption have led Harmony for Health to recommend avoiding it. For safer omega-3 sources, choose wild salmon or sardines, which are both healthier and safer. Be mindful of your dietary choices to safeguard your family's health. 3. Tuna. Consume with caution, but not total avoidance. Tuna is a nutrient-rich food, offering high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids that support heart and brain health. However, not all tuna is equally safe to eat. Yellowfin tuna. This variety contains lower mercury levels than others, making it a safer option for moderate consumption. White tuna, albacore. Often found in canned products, this type typically has higher mercury levels, posing health risk with frequent or large consumption. Smart advice. Opt for chunk-light tuna, small pieces canned, usually made from skipjack tuna, which has lower mercury levels than albacore. To stay safe, limit tuna consumption to 1 to 2 servings per week and prioritize trusted suppliers. By choosing the right type, tuna can remain part of a healthy and nutritious diet. Number 4. Tilapia. Choose carefully for your health. Tilapia is one of the most popular fish on dining tables, thanks to its affordability and versatility in cooking. However, not all tilapia is created equal in terms of quality and nutritional value. Concerns about tilapia. Farming tilapia is often raised in substandard environments, resulting in poor nutritional content and the potential for contamination with harmful substances such as antibiotics or heavy metals. This makes tilapia a food choice that requires careful consideration before consumption. Harmony for Health's recommendations. Opt for certified tilapia. Look for tilapia products certified by the Aquaculture Stewardship Council, ASC, or those adhering to Best Aquaculture Practices, BAP. These certifications ensure sustainable farming practices, no harmful chemicals, and high nutritional value. Choose local sources. Whenever possible, select tilapia from trusted local suppliers who raise fish in natural or high-standard environments. Avoid overprocessing. To preserve its nutritional content, prepare tilapia by steaming, baking, or lightly pan-searing instead of deep frying. Why should you be cautious about tilapia? While tilapia is high in protein and low in saturated fat, it is not an ideal source of omega-3 fatty acids compared to other fish like salmon or mackerel. Some studies even suggest that farm-raised tilapia may contain higher levels of omega-6, which can imbalance omega-3 levels and increase inflammation risk in the body. Number 5. Farm-raised basa. Hidden risks to your health. Farm-raised basa is a popular choice due to its affordability and availability, but few people realize it may pose significant health risks if not farmed in proper conditions. Risks from farming environments. Basa is often raised in industrial ponds, especially in areas with inadequate environmental standards. These ponds may be polluted with chemicals, heavy metals, or antibiotics used to prevent disease in the fish. Such contaminants can accumulate in basa fillets, posing long-term health risks when consumed frequently. Low nutritional value. Compared to nutrient-rich fish like salmon, sardines, or mackerel, Bassa offers much lower levels of omega-3 and other essential nutrients. This makes it a less effective choice for promoting heart health and reducing inflammation. Safer choices for your health. To protect your well-being, consider the following. Prioritize wild-caught fish. Choose naturally caught fish from clean, uncontaminated environments to ensure higher nutrient content. Select certified farm fish. If you opt for farm fish, look for products certified for sustainable aquaculture or sourced from trusted suppliers with strict quality controls. Conclusion: sustainable health starts with smart choices. In this article, you've explored the 5 best types of fish to boost longevity, along with preparation tips to retain their full nutritional value. We've also shared insights on fish to limit or avoid to safeguard your health and your family's well-being. Making the right choices about fish not only enhances your health, but also contributes to a sustainable planet. If you found this article helpful, subscribe to the Harmony for Health channel today to stay updated on valuable content about nutrition, wellness, and healthy living. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and share this information with your friends and family. We're here to support you on your journey toward a vibrant, energetic life. Thank you for following along, and see you in the next Harmony for Health content.